ISRO conducted the second landing test of Pushpak Reusable Launch Vehicle, RLV, at the Aeronautical Test Range, ATR, in Challakere today. The Pushpak RLV is designed to enable multiple launches with the same vehicle, significantly reducing the cost of space missions. By conducting landing tests, ISRO aims to validate the vehicle's ability to return to Earth safely and accurately after completing its mission in space. The Aeronautical Test Range in Challakere provides an ideal environment for testing the Pushpak RLV, with its extensive facilities and controlled airspace. These tests allow ISRO engineers to gather data on the vehicle's performance during descent and landing, helping to refine its design and operational procedures. INS Tir class training ship, and INS Sujata, Sukhana-class OPV, are set to participate in the second edition of the IMT TRILAT, joint trilateral maritime exercise with Mozambique and Tanzania from March 21st to 29th. As training ships, INS Tir and INS Sujata bring valuable capabilities and expertise to the IMT TRILAT exercise, including navigation training, seamanship, and maritime operations. Their involvement highlights India's commitment to supporting maritime capacity-building efforts in the region and fostering closer defense cooperation with Mozambique and Tanzania. Indian Navy Sailing Vessel Tarini welcomed by Mauritius Coast Guard Dornier aircraft on their approach to Port Louis. The female pair of Lieutenant Commander Dilna and Lieutenant Commander Rupa are on a transoceanic sailing expedition from Goa to Mauritius. INS Tarini is a sailboat designed specifically for long-duration ocean voyages. It is a part of the Indian Navy's Sagar Parikrama project, which aims to promote ocean sailing and maritime awareness among naval personnel. Indian Air Force's No. 131 helicopter unit moved from Hindon Air Force Station to Thanjavur Air Force Station of Southern Air Command. No. 131 helicopter flight operates HAL Cheetah light helicopters. Saab, the Swedish defense giant, is making the major push in Indian defense market. Saab's ambitions extend beyond the Carl Gustaf. They are exploring the possibility of manufacturing and supplying India with the RBS-15 anti-ship missile. This versatile missile has land attack capabilities and 200-kilogram warhead with a range exceeding 300 km. Saab is particularly keen on offering the air-launched variant of RBS-15 missile. The missile boasts compatibility with various fighter jets, including the Saab Gripeni, which Saab is also proposing to the Indian Air Force under the multi-role fighter aircraft tender. The Indian Army Sappers from the Bogra Brigade recently conducted drills to enhance their ability to provide seamless engineering support to combat units operating in desert environments. The drills, conducted by the Sappers, who are specialized engineers within the Indian Army, are aimed at honing their skills in tasks such as route clearance, bridging, fortification, and obstacle breaching in desert terrain. These tasks are crucial for ensuring the mobility, protection, and sustainability of combat units deployed in desert environments. Indian Army has inducted an initial batch of 7 indigenous integrated drone detection and interdiction systems, IDD and IS, at the northern borders along the line of actual control along China. The DRDO's gas turbine research establishment has initially proposed the purchase of Russian Il-76 transport aircraft to serve as the flying testbed. However, this plan did not materialize. The organization has sought possibility of utilizing the in-service Il-76 aircraft operated by Air Force. The Indian Air Force's fleet of light combat aircraft's Tejas trainers is steadily growing. Trainer jets serve as essential training platforms for nurturing the next generation of Air Force pilots and maintaining the proficiency of experienced aviators. Their versatile capabilities and adaptability make them invaluable assets in preparing Air Force personnel for the rigors of aerial combat, reconnaissance, and other operational missions.